On 20 November 1992, a fire broke out in Windsor Castle, the largest inhabited castle in the world and one of the official residences of Queen Elizabeth II. The castle suffered extensive damage and was fully repaired within the next few years at a cost of £36.5 million in a project led by the conservation architects Donald Insall Associates. It led to the Queen paying tax on her income and to Buckingham Palace, the Queen's other official residence, being open to the public to help pay for the restoration work. The fire began in the Queen's private chapel at 11:15 in the morning when a curtain was ignited by a spotlight pressed up against it. Agents of the royal household were in the chapel at the time inspecting works of art. A fire alarm went off in the watch room of the Castle Fire Brigade, manned by the Chief Fire Officer, Marshal Smith. The location of the fire was shown by a light on a grid map of the castle. Initially, the Brunswick Tower was lit up, but lights soon began to flash indicating that the fire had quickly spread to neighboring rooms. A major part of the state apartments was soon ablaze. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.